Hello and welcome, my dear fellow food lovers from the team of CurriesToCustard. We are so glad that you found us. In our today's menu, we have a spicy chickpeas and potato dish, which is a perfect recipe for lunch, dinner, or whenever you want to have something special. Its intense flavors make it extremely delectable. So let's get started. Alright, so here's the list of ingredients. For cooking the white chickpeas, we would need white chickpeas 300 grams, baking soda 1 teaspoon, salt 2 teaspoons, water 3 to 4 cups, potatoes 2. For tempering, we would need cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, bay leaves 3 to 4. For spice paste, we would need ginger 1 inch, garlic 10 cloves, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, black pepper 10, black cardamom 2, green cardamom 2. For gravy, we would need cooking oil 3 tablespoons, onions 3 that has to be chopped, tomatoes 4 that has to be pureed, green coriander to garnish, turmeric 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoons, and salt to taste. We would start with soaking the white chickpeas for 8 to 10 hours. Now in a pressure cooker, add white chickpeas along with potatoes, baking soda, salt and water and cook till 2 whistles on high flame. Then reduce the flame to low and cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. Keep it aside as the pressure cools down and take the boiled potatoes out and cut it into cubes. To make the gravy, start with heating the cooking oil in a pan or a skillet. Then add cumin seeds and bay leaves into it. Let the cumin crackle, then add chopped onions to the pan. Cook the onions till it gets golden brown in color. It's time to add the spice paste along with turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder and salt. Mix thoroughly and cook for 3 to 4 minutes by stirring regularly. Add pureed tomatoes and give it a good mix. Then cover and let it cook. We would cook everything till the oil starts to ooze from the sides of the pan. Now add the boiled potatoes and mix well. Cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. It's time to add the chickpeas along with the stock. You can adjust the water quantity as per your preference. Mix it and cover it with a lid. Let it come to a boil, then reduce the flame to low and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, garnish it with green coriander leaves and mix. Now switch off the gas stove. Time to enjoy this delicious and spicy chickpeas and potato curry with hot roti, paratha, naan or rice. Please do try making this recipe and share your thoughts with us. We hope that this recipe comes out great for all of you. Thank you and stay tuned until we meet again. Namaste.